Hello everyone. So now we'll see D1 extension. So first part we saw D1 flexion. So now we'll see D1 extension. So again diagonal how much we know. We already discussed the diagonal how much from 1 to 7. Now we'll see from 12 to side 1 on the clock. So starting position for the D1 extension, you have to start from the D1 flexion. So what is happening at the D1 flexion position, starting position? So starting, this is the starting position. So I'll explain what is the starting position of this D1 flexion in a starting position to perform a D1 extension. Shoulder scapula goes in anterior elevation. Shoulder goes in flexion, adduction and external rotation. Elbows is in flexion, forearm is in supination, wrist is in flexion and radial deviation, and finger is in flexion and adduction. So now from here distal to proximal. So from here open the hand, take it up, movement. So extension of the finger, extension of the thumb and your extension of the wrist and ulnar deviation. So from here your grip is lumbrical grip, hold here. Give a traction. From here I give a command, take it down. Yes. So end position, what happening in the end position here, you'll see the posterior depression of the scapula, then shoulder extension, abduction, internal rotation, the extension of the elbow, pronation, extension of the wrist, you will see finger extension and ulnar deviation. So this is the end position. So one more time I'll show, demonstrate. You can do as a treatment purpose, even one component you can train. So now if my extension is now is weak, so I can ask patient to perform extension. Take it up, Varuchla, good. So extension also you can facilitate from here. If you want to facilitate wrist extension from here, take it up, down, take it up. One component also you can work. So if I want work to opening the hand, open, give a stretch, open, so it's called as pre-stretch, open, very good. So one component. So now I give a traction, maintain, take it down, rotate, take it down. This is the end position. Thank you. So we saw D1 extension. So what are the uses of a D1 extension in ADL activity? दररोजच्या आपल्या जीवन काळामध्ये आपण कधी वापरतो D1 extension? Most of the question is everyone will have like, what are the uses? आपण वापर काय करतो? Simple ADL activity. If you sit in the car and if you want to take the belt, so what you will take the belt and take it down. This is nothing but D1 extension. Or something you want to take up and keep it down, the object is nothing but your D1 extension. So the activity what you do from here to here is nothing but your D1 extension. So these are the simple activity. Keeping the things down is nothing but your D1 extension. Thank you.